Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. احنا النهاردة هنحل الموديل exams 3 على ال verbs the second part of speech. أول واحد complete. أول سؤال complete. A verb that shows tense and agrees with the subject in person and the number is called dot verb. The verb which agrees in person and number and shows tense is finite verb. Number 2. Non-finite verbs doesn't show not or agree with the not, doesn't show tense or agree with the subject. Number 3. The three main types of non-finite verbs are infinitives, dots and dots, infinitive, gerunds and participles. Okay, an infinitive is usually the base form of the verb preceded by, or infinitive or base form of the verb and preceded by a to, preposition to. Okay, in the sentence to swim is good exercise. The infinitive to swim function is احنا قلنا الانفينيتيف ليه 3 functions on adjective, adverb and noun. هنا to swim act as or function as noun as it is the beginning of the sentence and before the verb. Okay, in the sentence I have a book to read. The infinitive to read function as dot because it describes a noun book. When an infinitive is describe a noun, so it is act as adjective, as the adjective is describing the noun. Okay, here we go. Number 7. In the sentence, I went to the library to study. The infinitive to study functions as dot because it expresses purpose. When an infinitive expresses purpose, so it acts as adverb. Okay, a gerund is a verb ending in ing that functions as gerund, always functions as nouns. Okay, number 9. A present participle is forming using dot and can be used to form continuous tenses or an adjective. Is forming by using or uses verb plus ing. The present participle is verb ing, while the past participle is the third participle of the verb, the third form of the verb. Here we go. The past participle is usually the not form of the verb or the third form of the verb. Okay, in the tense she has written a letter. The word written is a not participle, is a past participle. Okay, number 12. Dynamic verbs describe dots or processes and are commonly used in dot tenses. The dynamic verb describe actions or processes and commonly used in continuous tenses. Okay, here we go. A set of verbs describe state, feeling, thoughts, position, or do not and are not usually used in continuous tenses. Okay, a set of verbs are usually describes states, feelings, thoughts, position, or senses and are not usually used in continuous tenses. Number 14. A reflexive verb is followed by dot pronoun when the subject and the object are the same. Reflexive verb is followed by a reflexive pronoun. Okay. 15. Modal verbs can express ability, possibility, permission, obligation, advice, or necessity, darura. 16. Phrasal verbs consist of a verb plus one or more dot and their meaning is often different from the verb alone. ماشي أو إيه one or more إيه particles بين قوسين اللي هما إيه adverb or preposition. Okay, 17. In the expression make a decision, make here is an example of dot verb on a verb, the noun. and they completed the meaning together. It's called the lexical verb. Okay, here we go. A lexical verb is a verb that carries the dot meaning in the sentence. Lexical verb is a verb that carries the main meaning in the sentence. Okay, a main verb is the main element of the not phrase. The main verb is the main element of the verb phrase. Okay, the last question. The golden rule is lexical equal meaning, main equal main element, finite equal tense and agreement. So as we can see, this is the model answer of the exam, of the third exam. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any question, please write to me. Thanks.